Ukertong jangka United Democratic Party ubak polling do na West Shillong Konstiwensi ulakentat halor gejing sam Pisa hakapor election hakatega constituency. Ubak polling do habakranch kilat pathai khubor hadin gejing wadn thep kerteng Mynta nyauterik urempang arhajar arhulai ulaong bajen Lada ula sam Pisa hakatega constituency unnum syarem hak election kabaladam but unlong Myntri ka Ïing Dorbar thawan tat Haduh akan diganti.
Well, had I been a distributor, I would not have lost the last elections. Had I used money power, I would have sure been in the assembly till this term. But the fact that I lost because of the influence of money power should speak for itself. And more importantly, people look up to me as a policy maker, as someone who initiates and takes part in debates in the House. Therefore, the stack of distributing stuff really does not worry me at all.
Hakabayadei bakajing kam jang uba bendu lanong uban saya khun kum ukertong shimet na nongkrem constituency baka UDP kan job tang shipau seat uba pol ula ong ba umdan bentai halor kata ka jing ai jing ken jang u la upendan kam daka calculator la nie daka phone. Henry uburam yaka kaba ulakren la nie ai jing ken klam da pendap la nie benrap shu.
Well, that is his calculation. I am not part of his calculation. I didn't know what he checked, whether he used a computer, whether he used a calculator. So I will respect that opinion of his without adding any of mine.
Jungi Mynta ladai kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela rilum jungi Mynta ladai kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela